She pulled out her phone. So I pulled out my phone. I see you. Oh, we're going to the beach. It's beach time. She's coming.
I made it.
She's coming. Can't really go to the end this time. We're doing a bunch of construction work in my cave. Where the sun is going down. What's under the clouds over there. Today is the only day that we were having sunny weather, slightly cloudy. It rained the night before last. All the rain went to Redding, where my sister Melissa came from. And we luckily got a steady dry weekend. Today is Sunday. Yeah, and tomorrow it's supposed to rain for 3 days in San Jose. So we got lucky being here in Santa Cruz. And there's a swimmer out there. Think of how cold it is, and there's a swimmer out there. That's just crazy. We're always recording each other. She's watching me, watching her, watching me. It's the watch game. It's a watch party. I see me.
Up there, they look like lights.
58 degrees outside. Melissa, she's looking for cool different colors of seaweed grass. Pretty chill weekend though. Not a whole lot of people here. 37-minute drive. Not a whole lot of rides going on. We got the whole end of the boardwalk closed off down there. We couldn't exit down to the beach like we normally do on those stairs. There's a roller coaster. Lake. How's it going down here? Did you dig a hole? You have a little stick man.
No, look. Right here.
Oh, okay.
And then a volcano. Lava.
Oh, yeah.
Volcano. Lava.
Oh, yeah.
It's me. I changed my mind of a creator. Now, a hole.
Got Abram digging a hole here. So nice right at the time of the day when the sun's gonna go down. You're awake. Smell the breeze from the tide.
Bury myself in.
You're a little sand flea.
What? Me?
Yeah,
Oh.
little sand flea.
Okay, let's get buried. Is it big enough? No. I'm buried.
Okay. There we go. Now we're walking alongside the Giant Dipper, where they have all the movies that they filmed in Santa Cruz, including Bumblebee. A little bumblebee. Sassy Melissa. Sassafras. Dipper Diner. Yum. Not hungry. And Forky. Forky's eyeballs. He doesn't want me to record him right now. Oh, the Haunted Castle. The Haunted Castle. Yeah, a lot of the rides are closed. There's only like a few rides open. So, we're not going on rides today. See what they got.
I like this because they have a tiny mini.
It's like a little miniature roller coaster from the ride on the pier.
Miniature dink.
Uh-huh.
This doesn't have like a starter. This is me riding the big slow-mo, well, pause now.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna go back.
All around. Uh-huh. Hey, look, it's my butterfly, Abram.
What?
It's my butterfly.
Oh,
It's the same one that I have at
we have
home.
a
Moth. Little grabby arm T-Rexes. Oh, that's so cute.
This would be a fun souvenir.
This is the monarch I have at home. That is really cool.
No. You have one at home, but I like T-Rex.
Yeah, Owen is little.
And then this is a
Super duper squish ball. Normal egg. She's gonna find some Santa Cruz gear.
Yeah.
Maybe.
There's a turtle one too.
They have a turtle one?
Yeah.
Это смотри, вот такой самолет.
Oh, let me see.
Вот такой самолет.
Oh, okay.
А вот этот робот, вот он вертолет не становится.
Oh my gosh,
Which
really?
one do you want to buy?
Okay, turtle or the T-Rex?
Choose.
I got more excited over the turtle, I think.
Sure.
Или вот
I
этот.
like
Didn't you kinda get more excited over the turtle?
Подожди.
I like the T-Rex a lot,
You like the T-Rex more?
but
I mean, if you want to get the T-Rex. So, Abram got the turtle. Yeah.
yeah, but these are cute too. But
You chose the turtle. Yes,
and my mom at home has one of these butterflies.
I do. I have the same exact one.
The same.
Uh-huh.
And maybe at Christmas we could get the blue one. 'Cause
Yeah, maybe
she
at Christmas time.
loves butterflies.
That would be nice.
Very nice. Blue, black, and red.
Yeah.
That's the colors. And yours is white, black, and orange.
Yeah.
That's yours.
Like a monarch.
And yellow.
Yeah,
I wish this thing actually moved.
that would be neat.
There would be a booster here.
Uh-huh.
It would like a stopper.
Yeah.
And then you push the stopper through and it goes boom. Oh! The stopper goes faster and it goes through here and goes forwards. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it stops.
Sounds good.
That would be cool.
Yeah.
Trust me, this arcade's huge.
Thinking about walking into that shop, but nah.
But trust me, it's huger than the other.
Oh, okay. Laughing Sally.
I tiny farted.
Oh.
Blue. Smells like blue.
I went in with Davy and I saw that it was humongous.
Oh. Family shopping.
Puppets! It's a puppet.
Oh, a puppet dolphin. That's neat.
Stingray.
Sting you. And he swam away. And he swam with his family away from danger with his little turtle friend. On a long, wavy, wavy day. Okay, bye bye now. Bye bye now. Bye bye. Bye bye now.
Goodbye.
Okay.
A golf land was bigger than it.
Wow.
3 miles. I'm a good aimer.
I got it.
Huh.
See that? I'm gonna get one more. Oh, good job.
I look crazy.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you got it now. Yeah, punch it. Yeah, punch here. We got dancing people. Dancing. Here we go. It's a dance party. Yes. Woo! Right, we're at the end of the pier. And we walked all the way from the end. And we're still alive. And Abram's legs are still kicking. Okay. And there is the boardwalk all lit up at 5:55 p.m. Even though it looks like it's 9. It's not.
5:55. That's because it's freaking November.
Daylight savings. Yeah. Actually, we gained an hour.
The Loch Ness Monster.
There they are! Oh!
That sounds like a dog getting mad.
Oh no. Plastic around his neck. Wish somebody could help him. This is a much better way to travel. What's your name?
My name's
Aiden? Tracy. Tracy and Melissa. Melissa's visiting. that heated seat.
Yeah, I definitely feel it on my face.
Got a foot warmer.
Don't want to get snot.
We're on the street.
I don't know how this moves like this.
With a motor. He's riding a motorized bicycle. He's getting his extra across the bay. Yeah, it's not crazy. Why do you think he wanted us to sit on the back seat?
Here we go. Sunday night.
You're going swimming in blocks, Minecraft blocks. It looks like you're swimming in.
Blocks.
Yeah, you're swimming in Minecraft blocks.
I'm moving this one.
What? What?
What was that?
I don't even know.
I literally just bounced.
Oh. You got tired.
Yeah.
They made a Minecraft barricade. How's this barricade? Oh, okay. They're all working together.